The Bridges to Baccalaureate program is a collaboration between UIC and City Colleges of Chicago. It is intended for students who are transferring to UIC to work in a cancer-related research lab over the summer, also learn about healthcare disparities and complete a collab, which is a research-based course where students will learn various techniques done in the lab. Also, students will receive a monthly stipend and a scholarship for 2 years. In order to be eligible, underrepresented minority students need to transfer to UIC from city colleges, either in the fall or in the spring. They must complete at least 2 of the following classes and have a GPA of 3.0.
If you haven't been in a research environment, it's a great way for bridging the gap to your career path. And what I mean by that is once you get the baccalaureate, what do you want to do after that? What do you want to achieve? What areas and what goals do you have? The B2B offers that, and one of the exciting parts is being exposed to research. Guess what? What we currently have in research is a very mundane individual lens that works only modestly. So imagine if this was the only view you saw. So we need you. We need you to be involved in this program. And if you're interested in STEM and want to advance initiatives to biomedical research or clinician or want to do medicine or nursing, this is the program for you. And we're waiting because we desperately need to change the workforce environment. And remember, when it comes to clinical care, that's a workforce we want to diversify as well, since our patient volume here at UI Health is well represented. And that's something we want to see in our workforce. So anyway, that's my perspective of the B2B in regards to research, and I hope you have the chance to apply to the program and get accepted.
So my name is Genesis. I'm a third year at UIC, and I'm on the pre-PA track. So we have monthly meetings that help keep me on track, and then they also serve to give us to let us know of opportunities that we can take advantage of, and then they also offer us if we need help with classes with tutoring, and then there's also a monthly stipend that really helps towards books or any other tuition fees that we need. For my summer research project, we're going to be looking at food insecurity and diet and how that correlates with lung cancer, and then looking at its effect on stress and inflammation.
Hi, my name is Clovis and I'm a junior at University of Illinois at Chicago, and I'm currently a biomedical engineering major. And my career goals is to one day become a healthcare professional, specifically a physician. It has been a great experience so far. This is my first semester in the B2B program, and I've been able to connect with other students with similar interests in healthcare and other professionals like researchers and professors who are assisting me on my journey. I think it's going to be a great experience for me, as it's going to provide me the opportunity to do research over the summer. I'll be working on a pancreatic cancer project over the summer, and that's going to be a great experience for me.
So my name is Jordan Shaw. I'm in my third year at the University of Illinois studying molecular organismal biology. And as far as career goals, I want to do research. I'm currently a researcher, and I'm going to continue to do research in cancer and developmental biology, also while pursuing further education in developmental biology. So the Bridges to Baccalaureate program has helped me in a lot of ways. It's connected me with a lot of professionals, a lot of experts, a lot of people who have a better understanding in the field. I'm currently doing research through the Bridges to Baccalaureate program that I wouldn't have done otherwise. So it's greatly set me up.
My My name's Sophia. I'm a third year student here at UIC and I'm on the pre-PA track. I'll be looking at ovarian cancer research, and we are going to be looking at a certain mutation in the cell and correlate it to ovarian cancer cases.
Hello, my name is Anastasia Castillo, and I am part of the B2B program. I am a bio major here at UIC, and my ultimate goal is to become a doctor. So being part of the B2B program has been a really eye-opening experience, and it's expanded my career options. I had never really thought of doing something like an MD, PhD program until doing the summer research. Being able to do the research in the summer and actually gain, real wet lab experience by doing all these different experiments and getting to analyze the data has been really helpful. I really kind of fell in love with doing research. And the research that I was doing over the summer, and I still continue to do throughout the school year, we're looking at neutrophils and chemokine receptors, more specifically CXCR2. And our goal is to see if a CXCR2 inhibitor could be used as a potential therapy for disease settings where there is an influx or an overactivation of neutrophils.
Hi guys, my name's Catherine Smith. I am a pre-occupational therapy student and a rehabilitation science major. I want to tell you a little bit about how the Bridges to Baccalaureate program helped me get into the grad school of my choice and also find a passion for research. At Malcolm X College, I found a passion for science in my microbiology club. I was inspired to use my education as a way to do work that involves social justice, equity in healthcare, and that promotes diversity and inclusion in scientific fields. I began practicing through a course at Malcolm X College, where we went into UIC labs and worked on CRISPR-Cas9 research. As you can tell, this was my first time in a lab, so there are a couple faux pas there, but I soon learned through this experience how to be a better researcher. When I was awarded the B2B 2-year traineeship, it changed the course of my life, and it advanced and it opened doors to opportunities that I never dreamed possible. We would use Western blots to measure proteins for therapeutics for prostate cancer.
In this program, we hope to position the trainees, their communities, and their research at the center of discussions about the importance of cancer research, and then also the importance of addressing health disparities in how research is conducted.
Hi, my name is Bethany Elkington, and I'm biology faculty at Malcolm X College. One of my roles in this project is to recruit new students for the B2B program. It's been very exciting to meet new students and hear about their future goals, and then to watch them discover new avenues of pursuing those goals as they learn more about biomedical research through this program. I enjoy meeting with the whole group every month, and have also worked with students to find more resources for succeeding in the undergraduate studies, as well as applying for graduate programs. Please do feel free to reach out with any questions, and I hope you will consider joining the B2B group.